Hi guys, welcome back to Golden Reviewer. This is the Mi 11. I just unboxed it. If you haven't seen my unboxing video, check it out. And now I'm going to run the Genshin Impact game on this device. And this is one of the most requested tests you want to see. So I'll just show you the device info here to make sure that this is a legit Mi 11. Also, I'll set the resolution to Full HD and the refresh rate to 60 Hz because Genshin does not allow any frame rate higher than 60 FPS anyway. Here I just want to show you the graphics settings. It's like all my previous tests. I set everything to highest possible. Now I'll start to play the game. If you are familiar with my videos, you know that I'll play the game for 10 minutes. And at the same time, I'll show you the real-time FPS record here at the bottom of the screen. If you don't want to watch this full gameplay, you can also fast forward to the end of the video where I'll show the results and give you some analysis.
sound. Yeah.
It's really sad to see this, but I have to say that the performance of the Mi 11 or the performance of the Snapdragon 888 is not good at all. You can see that the FPS is not stable at all, and the average FPS is only 47. We have so many frame drops, and it so often drops to 30, 25, something like that. It makes the whole gaming experience not enjoyable at all. I know some of you may say this might be due to an optimization issue, the device is not running at its full power or something like that. But I don't think so, because if you look at the power consumption record, the device is actually pushing very hard. It's consuming 5.8 watt of power, which is considered very high already. At this rate, the 4600 mAh battery of the Mi 11 will only be able to last 3 hours. I do think something is wrong with the Snapdragon 888, but it's hard to draw any conclusion with this single test. So in the coming days, I will test more games and more benchmarks. So remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications for more updates. See you next time.